Kate here at WTI, and if you have a dog that wants to lounge around, this elevated dog bed from Furggis is the perfect addition. This is the size extra large, so it is much bigger than my dog needs, but he loves to be able to just stretch out and have plenty of space. It's got a weight rating of up to 150 pounds, so that is a very large dog. So no matter what size your dog is, they'll be nice and comfortable in here. We particularly wanted this for the beach because it comes with a canopy. That's probably my favorite part. It gives him a little bit of protection from the sun. If he wants to escape those rays, he can just crawl right in there. Normally he hides under our chairs, so this just gives him his own space. You don't have to have the canopy on, even though it does provide sunshade. You can use it without. My dog even likes to hide underneath it, so whatever your pup prefers. I love that you can put this together with no tools. It comes with its own carrying case, so you can bring it anywhere. It goes together really easily. It comes with all the pieces. You can assemble it in just a few minutes, and then you're good to go. I also appreciate how easy it is to clean. It's got a really sturdy material, so if it did happen to get dirty, you can wipe it or even just hose it off. It dries nice and quickly. The feet have an awesome swivel, so even on uneven ground, on the beach in the sand, on gravel, it'll get itself nice and level because they can kind of pivot according to your terrain. So if you want to spoil your dog, this is a great way to do it. You'll love the extra space that it gives them to be off the ground and just chill, and they'll love it too, and that's my point of view.